Oh yeah. I'm up here at St. Mary's Glacier tonight. I'm gonna be doing some time-lapse shooting here in just a little bit. But before that, I'm gonna take a drone flight, see how high I can go up to that mountain. There's no wind up here right now, which is unusual for up this area at this time of night. So, time-lapse montage that I've been working on. I talked about it in a couple of previous videos. This is one of the final, I don't know, I think 3 time lapses I'm gonna get for this. I've been wanting to get out to where there's no light pollution. Up here it's pretty secluded from light pollution. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Let's take the drone up there and see what's on the other side before it gets dark. Been working on my spin kick cutouts. Now you know we reached the maximum of the human potential right here. This is the peak of it all right here, folks. Ingenuity at its finest. Now why didn't I think of something like that?